Hi friends, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my channel if you're new here, and thanks a lot for stopping by. In today's video, I'm participating in the useful DIY challenge hosted by Mom from MomDas Life Handmade and Fanny from Creations by Favi. I have linked both the channels in the description box along with the playlist that you wouldn't want to miss. Check out all the videos from the playlist and you can get some seriously beautiful and useful Christmas DIY inspiration. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do consider subscribing and do hit the like button if you enjoy this video. So let's get started. In this video, I'm decking up two mini mason jars that I use to store chocolate chips or sprinklers and caramel chips and any other small items for my hot chocolate station. So to start with, I took a clear bauble and painted it on the inside using nail polish. You can definitely spray paint it if you want. After covering both the sides of the bauble with the nail polish, I let them dry for over 24 hours. Once the bauble was completely dry, I cut some ears and horns for the reindeer and some flowers for the decoration on the top of the reindeer head. Then I started gluing the ears along with the horns on both sides of the head. I also cut some flowers for the head of the reindeer and glued them on the top of the head. Then I glued both the eyelashes on the reindeer along with the nose. I also glued the inner ears that I made using red felt fabric and glued it on top of the outer ear. Once I completed decorating the entire face of the reindeer, I glued both the ends of the bauble together. And this is how my little reindeer looks. Doesn't she look cute? Then for the second mini mason jar, I again took a clear bauble and along with glue, I made a snowflake on top. And then I sprinkled silver glitter on top of it. Then I took both the mini mason jars and with the help of Mod Podge, I glued small tinsel snowflakes at the center and then the reindeer head on top of it. And then comes the fun part. I put some sprinklers of my choice inside the bottle. This reindeer mini mason jar looks oh so adorable and I just love it. I filled up the second mini mason jar with some butterscotch chips and then I glued the clear bauble with the snowflake design on top. On one side of the clear bauble I had made the snowflake sign, and on the other side I made a joy sign and filled it up with small thermocol balls to imitate like snowflakes. Then to cover the hook of the bauble I added 2 small bells on top and it's done. And this is how the mini mason jars turned out. I think they are a great addition to your hot chocolate station and great as gifts too. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Thanks a lot for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.